Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Biometrics and selecting Face Recognition. This begins enrollment. Once done, make sure the front camera is clean and any obstructions are removed. Position the phone at eye level about 1-2 feet from your face and keep steady. Use soft, even lighting around 50-80 lux to reduce shadows and glare. Move slowly through the guided turns so the sensor captures multiple angles. These first steps alone improve detection speed by giving the sensor clearer, consistent data. Next, refine the model by repeating the enrollment while following the 360-degree prompts. This lets the algorithm map more facial features and reduces false negatives. Once done, check face recognition settings and enable any faster recognition option and shorten or disable screen wake animations to cut unlock time. Make sure to add an alternate appearance, glasses, a hat, or facial hair, so the system doesn't reprocess differences. These changes optimize both speed and consistency when you unlock the phone in varied conditions. To finish, test unlocking in low, medium, and bright light. Note any 1+ second delays. If face recognition lags, restart the phone and clear the front camera or Biometrics app cache to remove corrupted data, then re-enroll quickly. Make sure your OS and security updates are current because firmware can contain speed improvements. If problems persist, switch temporarily to fingerprint or PIN and re-attempt enrollment later. This final pass ensures face unlock is as fast and reliable as possible while giving you a clear troubleshooting path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.